Okay, so today we're gonna start with the 320 on this little piece of wood I found, just laying around. It wasn't something special. I have this piece all body filled. I should have masked this off before I even did the fiberglass, but whatever. I'm just gonna start by sanding this down, and hopefully it turns out good. If not, I can put another layer of Bondo on. So let's get to that. That was a very bad attempt at setting the camera up.
You dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little, we'll meet right here.
I found out when you're sanding, you need very minimal pressure if you have the right grit of sandpaper, which really helps your arm.
Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. But I'm so just look on, and I'll look down, and oh, your feet.
Okay, so it's primer time now. This is pretty exciting because it's been so long. No, just kidding. I got all the sanding done. I didn't video me sanding because I'm pretty sure no one wants to watch me sand for 24 hours straight. I wouldn't want to watch me sand for that long. I'll show you, okay? Would you look at it? So I have all the Bondo. If you can feel this right now, I'm very sad you can't. It's literally so smooth. It's very smooth. I love it. It's great. It's fantastic. I'm really sad about this, but whatever. I'm prepping it with this stuff. Gone. It says makes paint adhere. We're gonna prep the piece now, and then once it warms up, we're priming the piece, people.
Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. But I'm so
Primer time. So I'm gonna do like a super light one. It doesn't look very light because it's super dark primer, but trust me, I did. Let's let that dry for a couple minutes and then do a second coat. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes. Go ahead and do the second coat. I have 3 layers of primer on the grill. The primer did bring out some spots that were very so questionable spots. It's not pretty, but it's just. So that's what it looks like. It looks good all in one color, completely straight, like down here, look, which is pretty impressive for me. It's the next day right now, so I got back from school and then ate, I'm a human. I'm letting some sandpaper soak in some water, and then we're gonna wet sand the primer.
In the land of the sandstorm, I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip as
We just got done priming the piece for the last time. I'm excited. I'm gonna clean this up and shoot some paint.
You're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer.
I did 3 layers of paint, let it sit for about 40 minutes or so, and now we're ready to do the 3rd coat. I'm gonna do 2 coats of that, I think. I am so happy with how this turned out, it's not even funny. I did 3 coats, I think. Look at that. I love it. This is what it's looking like. Tomorrow morning, I'll come out and we can install the mesh behind that. So it's the next morning. I have the piece flipped over on like a really soft blanket, just so I don't scratch the paint, because it's brand new. If you have something like this at home that you're doing yourself, you just need to find a lip like this. So it needs to have just a lip like this, and then all I did was put the mesh on top of it and folded it over and hot glued it. There's your angle, people. So I have my mesh right here. All this is literally window mesh, I think, from Walmart. It worked pretty well on the bumper, so I'm gonna try it on this grill piece. So I just cut it to the size I need. It's really easy to cut with scissors, so that shouldn't be a problem. What you're gonna wanna do is basically cut off the excess that you don't need. Now we can start to glue it down. And to do that, actually I'm gonna go get a piece of cardboard. What you need to do is basically put a little tiny blob of glue. I pressed it down with the cardboard. Get it to stick in place. And then for the corners like this, like the curves, I cut a slit. I feel like this is screwing out. Okay, we're doing the other side now. It's the same exact thing as the other side, just cut away what you don't need and start gluing. And we're going to start the silicone next. And basically all I'm going to do for that is put the silicone just on the hot glue. The silicone is on! So at this point, I would say the grill is completely done. So now I think it's time to put it in the car. Alright. I think it's good. I'm gonna drill a couple holes. I'm putting zip ties in the grill. When I laid the fiberglass on the bottom, I eliminated the clips that clipped on the bottom. So I'm using zip ties to hold it up top. Kind of solve that problem, maybe. This is what the grill looks like on the car. I'm really happy about it. I like the more Fast and Furious style, if you can't tell. This isn't permanent. I just wanted to change it, and I really love it, so I might keep it for a long time. I am going to do a reveal video of this grill on the car. You may have seen a little bit of what I'm planning to do last video, the beginning, but I want to do it really good this time. So make sure you stay tuned for that. My plan is to upload every Monday at 11 a.m. Central Time. I think it'll work out great. Bye guys.